All right, so recently I was contacted by the company Super Clean to test out some of their supplies. So they sent me over some degreasers and wanted me to test them out and let you guys know what I think. So I talked to a couple friends, see if they had anything that we would need to get cleaned. And my buddy Chad has this truck that he's doing a Cummins 4B T-swap in. And anybody that knows anything about diesels knows they're dirty. So this is gonna be a good one to test it out. We're gonna do one side with the foam cleaner and the other side with the spray cleaner. And yeah, I'll let you guys know what we think. So we just got done doing like a soak and a pre-scrub, and already I'm pretty impressed. Like, here, maybe we'll do the pan here next. But I mean, up there you can see we scrubbed at it. And I don't know about you, Chad, but I didn't put really any elbow grease into it.
I didn't either. I mean, we've got maybe, 5 minutes of scrubbing on that?
If even that.
If even, and that's with just soak time. I mean, if you put it on and let it soak for some time, you know, and then scrubbed it, for minimal effort, it's knocked off quite a bit of stuff.
Yeah. And then, like I said, it was caked on. I mean, you can look at the difference on the pan. That is just, it shows you how much was on there. Yeah.
The floor was clean when we started.
Yeah, so now that we got a big chunk of it, I think we're gonna soak it a little bit, let it soak in and scrub it and see how it turns out. But yeah, it's putting in work, that's for sure. Yeah, look at that little pan. Yeah, look how much that's coming off. Like, the big noticeable too is like the front timing cover here. Like, this looks night and day different. Is that actually paint on the block there that I see? All right, so here's where we're at with it. I'm pretty impressed. I wanted to do this without a pressure washer just to kind of show that anybody can do it, because not everybody does have a pressure washer. What do you think, we spent half an hour doing this?
Yes, at best.
Half an hour, you know, and yeah, I mean, we're just using, you know, some nylon, I think, bristle brushes, not even like a steel or anything like that. And it's, yeah, like I said, I'm pretty impressed. Like, I didn't know that oil pan was, actually the whole engine in general, I didn't realize it was a beige. I got some before and after pictures I'll throw up here real quick too. But yeah, and like I said, I want to reiterate, we're not being paid. They just sent us some free products, so it's my own opinion. I'm pretty impressed. I've used the Purple Power before, and it works all right, but I think I'm probably going to end up using Super Clean for a lot of the stuff here at this point. A buddy of ours, he was talking about it when I first got approached, and he uses the wheel cleaner and loves it. So I was like, okay, well, I've never used it, but we'll see. And I've got some wheel cleaner. I've got some wheel cleaner I'm gonna test out too. But what do you think, Chad?
I'm really impressed. For the amount, the thick as the grime and grunge was on this motor. We've got 1 can of the Super Clean. We are halfway, not even into both of them. So less than a container of product to do what it's done. I'd say it's a phenomenal product.
Yeah, we've just got 1 can of the foam and 1 can of the regular. And like I said, we're being pretty thick on it just because we got them for free, but it's going pretty good. So.
And for without the pressure washer, for the amount of, you could use a lot less product with the pressure washer. I'm sure it would come off way quicker with the power of that instead of a brush, but I am very impressed.